Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna present you the topic nested loop. Introduction to nested loops. So, outline of our topic today we are going to discuss is introduction, nested loop structure, syntax, flowchart, types of nested loop, syntax, flowchart, nested while loop, syntax, flowchart, nested do while loop, syntax of writing nested do while loop, flowchart of nested do while loop, nested for loop, and syntax of writing nested for loop. At the end, flowchart and summary. Nested loop. Placing of one loop inside the body of another loop is called nested loop. When we nest two loops, when we place one loop inside the body of another loop, that combination is called nested loop. The outer loop takes control of the number of complete repetition of the inner loops. We can place a number of loops inside the loops. While all types of loop may be nested, the most commonly nested loops are for loops. Here you can see the for loop, nested loop. We have a for loop and then we have inner for loop, which is a nested for loop. When working with nested for loops, the outer loop changes only after the inner loop is completely finished or interpreted. Syntax. The syntax of for a nested for loop. Syntax of writing a nested for loop statement in C++ is as follows. For simply how do you write a for loop? Init, initialization, condition, increment. Then inside the body of the for loop write another for loop, that is init, condition, increment, and then do write statement. For example, write a program that print the following: numbers from 1 to 8. In the first line you will print just 1, then 1 and 2, and frequently increasing the number till 9. The program main function for initialization condition I is initialized as 1. I must remain less than or equal than 9 and increment by 1. Again a for loop, then simply cout j. Try yourself to write a program like this which will print stars in ascending and descending order. So program using a for loop, initialize I and j, use for loop, nested for loop, loop inside the loop, and cout. Types of nested loop. There are 3 types of nested loop we are going to discuss today, that is nested while loop, nested do while loop, and nested for loop. Number 1, nested while loop. A while loop inside another while loop is called a nested while loop. How to write a nested while loop? The syntax for a nested while loop statement in C++ is as follows. Simply how do you write the while loop, while, condition, and then again a while loop inside the body of the while loop, while, condition, and do write statement at the end. Here you can see the flowchart of nested while loop, that is a condition. If the conditions becomes false, simply it will terminate. If the conditions become true, then it will check the second condition, that was another while loop inside this while loop. If this conditions becomes true, it will execute the statement, again checks the condition, execute the statement, again checks the condition. When the conditions become false, it will automatically go to end while. Okay, the loop will terminate. Otherwise, if the condition satisfies, it will again and again checks, and the whole control of this second while loop is with this first loop. Okay, next we have example of nested while loop. C++ program to find the number of pattern in ascending order from 1 to 5. So program, write main function, initialize value, use while loop, use nested while loop, loops inside the loop, and simply cout statement. Nested do while loop. A do while loop inside another do while loop is called nested do while loop. The syntax of writing a nested do while loop is do statement, again do statement, while the condition 1 and condition 2. The flowchart for the nested do while loop is as follows: statement, condition, if the conditions becomes true, again checks the statement, if the conditions become false, and while checks the condition 2, if the condition 2 becomes true, then it will again checks the first statement of the first loop, and if the conditions become false, it will automatically go to and while. Next we have examples of while loop. C++ program to print the given star pattern in ascending order. The program for writing this is main function, initialize I and j, use do while loop, nested do while loop, and simply cout program. Next we have nested for loop. As we have studied before in the start of this presentation, nested for loop is a commonly using for nested loop. A nested for loop inside another for loop, simply a for loop inside the body of another for loop, is called a nested for loop. The syntax of writing the for loop is initialization, condition, increment or decrement, do write statement, write another for loop inside the for loop, do write the second statement, and end. Here is the flowchart for nested for loop. Initialization, condition, checks the condition incremented or decremented by 1. If the condition 1 true, it checks the second condition. If second conditions become true, then it will execute, and if the condition become false, it will not check the second condition. It will automatically end. If the condition 2 becomes false, it will automatically end for loop. Next we have examples of nested for loop. A C++ program to find the sum of two matrices include iostream, Konya.h, using namespace std, simply main function, initialize row and column, cout, enter the size of the row, cin row, enter the size of the column, and use nested for loop to print the output. Okay, summary. So it was all about, we have discussed today in this lecture, we have discussed a nested for loop. Basically, nest means to make a nest, is from inspired word from nest is nested for loop or nested loops. In nested loops, we place a loop inside the body of another loop, and the outer loop is called parental loop and the inner loop is called child loop, and the whole control of the inner loops is depend on the outer loop. Basically, the outer loop is independent and the inner loops, that is called child loops, are dependent on the most outer loop, parent loop. So we have also discussed that for loop is most and commonly used nested loop, and we have also discussed do while for nested loop, while nested loop. So you guys now have to write a summary in the comments below that what you have learned from this lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.